And ironically, I think it's hilarious that I bought a Mercedes you're encouraged to take a dump in. Whether you thinking about buying a adventure van, or you have a Revel, or think of renting Luna here, there's something you will have to deal with, and that is dealing with human waste and your own shit. But I'm going to show you how easy it is. It's not that gross. It is what it is. Part of the process. The van has this is a gray tank, so all your shower water, sink water, that all goes there. But the toilet is actually a cassette toilet, and that is here. Just click these buttons, and I do have some gloves in here. This is held on by a little latch, and you pull it out. And I will warn you that, it is easy, but, a full one, it's not overly heavy, but it has some weight to it. Along and roll it to the bathroom. Especially if you're in a campground that has pit toilets, this is way easier. But here I'm at a municipal dump station. Super easy. So it does have some weight. I'll put it on this side. So I got it lined up. I'm gonna take the cap off here and then put the cap someplace safe so you don't lose it. There's a vent button, but I'm just gonna kind of aim it down into the hole of no return. The vent, that'll let air out so it dumps. Top back on. What took a minute. In this unit, there's a valve right there, that blue. Let me point it out to you. There's that blue valve that lets air in, so it can kind of doesn't glug. And then now it's easy to just put it back. You'd expect there to be like solids or tons of toilet paper and stuff, but we use RV toilet paper and some digesters. So little packets of stuff that break down the waste to liquid. So literally it just looks like green goo. So it's not as horrible as it is. And it's what I call a big boy problem. So it's just something you have to get used to if you're going to get a van or rent one. Put it in. Put my gloves back in. And that's how you dump your cassette toilet. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.